Hi, I'm Ran, and welcome back to Diane's Reading Corner. Today we're going to be reading Just Me and My Dad by Mercer. But before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss one of our videos. Just Me and My Dad. We went camping, just me and my dad. Dad drove the car because I'm too little. I picked the campsite, but somebody was already living there, so I gave it back. We found another campsite nearby. My dad was tired, so I pitched the tent. We made a campfire. I found the wood, and my dad lit the fire. I wanted to take my dad for a ride in our canoe, but I launched it too hard. We went fishing instead. My dad took a snapshot of the fish we caught, and then I cooked it for dinner for me and my dad. We had eggs, but after dinner I told my dad a ghost story, and boy did he get scared. I gave my dad a big hug. That made him feel better. Then we went to bed. I stayed up with my dad and let him read a story to me. My favorite book. We slept in our tent all night long, just me and my dad. And that was our book, Just Me and My Dad by Mercer. I enjoyed this book, so I hope you enjoyed it too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Goodbye.